Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Web Learning Studio. Hope you are doing good. In this video, we will cover tools and various options in Adobe Photoshop in very short time. So I will quickly move on. If there is any questions, please let me know in the comments. I believe you will learn something beneficial from it. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm using Adobe Photoshop CC version 2018. I will give a link in description for images that I have used in this video. Feel free to practice them. When you open Photoshop, you will get this dialog box. Here you can see recent files. On the left side we have create new or open button. Click on create new button. Next we have various document sizes which are being shown under recent. Then we have photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile, film and video categories with different sizes. You can also make custom document size according to your requirement. We are selecting size in inches here with a resolution of 300 pixels per inch, which means there are 300 pixels in an inch. Pixels are small boxes just like shown in the screen. You can change the background content to white, black or any color, then click on create button. In Adobe Photoshop, all work is done on layers. To make a new layer, press Shift plus Ctrl plus N, or you can do same from menu bar, layer and then select new layer. Let's import a picture. Go to File, Place, Embedded. Select the picture to open and press Enter. Our picture is placed in the same layer. Another way we can import is by File and then select Place Link. This way our picture will be placed in a new layer. Layer will be shown from the top to bottom, so picture in above layer will be on top, then the lower ones. You can resize a picture with free transform tool in edit menu or by pressing Ctrl plus T. You can also transform by scale, rotate, skew, distort, perspective or wrap. To zoom in, press Ctrl plus sign. To zoom out, press Ctrl and minus sign. Press Ctrl 0 to fit to screen. Press F to view full screen with toolbar and menu. Press again F to view without menu and toolbar. Press again F to exit out of full screen. Move tool is used to move the picture or any object. Artboard tool is quite useful to create multiple copies from an image. If you press the plus button left, right or bottom, you get duplicate copy. If you only press plus button, you will get same size without image. By holding Alt and clicking on plus button, you will give you same image. You can resize image by dragging from corners. To move an image, simply select it and drag with left mouse click. If snap is checked in view menu, then you will be able to snap it in line with other image. Click on window menu, then history. From here you can move to any point to remove changes you just made. Rectangular marquee tool can be accessed by pressing M. Drag the area, then copy and paste it. Next we have is elliptical marquee tool. Simply draw it over the image, then copy paste or use move tool to move it anywhere. You can give it a little feather or nice edges. Single row marquee tool is used to draw a single horizontal line. Single column marquee tool is used to draw a single vertical line. Access lasso tool by pressing L. With this tool you can do a free selection. Next is polygonal lasso tool. With this tool we can draw polygonal lines. This tool is used to add to selection, this one to subtract from selection, and the last one to intersect. Magnetic lasso tool will help in attaching to the edges of object. Right click on layer to delete it. You can select multiple layers with shift, then right click and delete them. To show or hide layers, press the I sign before layer. Quick selection tool is used to draw a quick selection from the picture. To add to selection, use this plus button, and to subtract, use this minus button just under menu bar. To further tune selection, you zoom in and remove the unwanted area. Magic wand tool automatically captures the same color. We can adjust tolerance level here to grab more similar colors. To crop an image, press C, move the corners, then press enter key to commit to crop. It can also be rotated by moving from the corner. Perspective crop displays small boxes to crop from an angle. Slice tool is used to divide large image into small pieces. Go to File and Export to save for web page. It will save the image into small pieces. Slice Select tool is used to move slice or to change slice size. Eyedropper tool is used to pick color. Once color is picked, you can press Alt plus backspace to fill foreground color in the layer. You can also make your own color by entering values in RGB or CMYK. With the help of Color Sampler tool, we can pick as many colors as we want. A ruler tool helps in drawing a line along with ruler. Note tool is used to enter notes. Count tool helps in making numbering around objects. Color can be changed from here as well as size of text. Spot healing brush tool is very useful in healing small blemishes or unwanted area. Simply make the brush size a little bigger than the object, then just click over it. Brush size can be increased by pressing bracket keys. After selecting healing brush tool, press Alt and left click on the wood area. Then move healing brush tool on the area that need to be cleaned. Patch tool is quite useful in cleaning the unwanted objects, like if we need to remove pigeons from this picture. Content aware move tool moves the object to another area while maintaining the area around it. Structure size can be adjusted here for better result. Red eye tool helps in removing red eye. Simply select the tool and click on the red area on eyes. There are many brushes that you can explore from here. Let's try this one. If you press on this brush button, you can have brush settings and brush tab. By clicking on settings here, you can make new brush preset or import brushes. Brushes are saved in preset folder. Pencil tool works same as brush tool except that it has a thin line. Color replacement tool is used to replace a color. Simply paint the color replacement tool over the object where you want to change color. Clone stamp tool is used to clone the area with the surrounding. Select the tool and press Alt plus left click to capture surrounding. Then move it over the area which you want to clean. Pattern stamp tool is used to draw a pattern over the desired area. From here, different categories of pattern can be selected. Furthermore, patterns can be loaded and appended as well. History brush tool undo the changes made. Simply move this tool over the area which you want to undo. Art history brush tool captures the color from background, then draw different artistic designs. Eraser tool erases the area on which this tool is moved. Background eraser tool removes the background. Magic eraser tool quickly captures the similar color and removes them together. Gradient tool is used to draw different shades of color. Shades can be changed from here. More shades can be loaded from here. If you click on these small boxes, you can change their color, then save these colors. You can change their color, then save these colors as well, or just apply them by pressing OK. There are different styles available here, like radial gradient, angle gradient, reflected gradient, and diamond gradient. Blur tool makes the image blur. Sharpen tool makes the edges sharper. Sponge tool allows you to saturate or desaturate the specific area. Pen tool is used to make a precise selection. Press by Alt key, then move the long handles left and right to make them fit in the selection. When path is selected, press Ctrl plus Enter. The area will be selected, which you can now copy and paste. Freeform pen tool helps in drawing a free or loose selection. Curvature pen tool is quite useful when the object is in curve. It makes so easy to draw it efficiently. Left click, then move the mouse to draw a curve. When path is selected, press Ctrl plus Enter. The area will be selected, which you can now copy and paste. Add anchor point tool is used to add anchor point. Simply select this tool and click where you want to add anchor point. To delete any anchor point, use delete anchor point tool. Convert line deletes the anchor point handles. To add a text, use horizontal type tool. Simply type text. You can change text style from here. Make it bold or italic. Change size, character spacing. Height of text can be controlled from here. Change color from here. These are different text styles that you can use. Double click on the text layer to open layer style. From here you can change style and technique. Highlight color. Change size of bevel and emboss. Depth can be controlled from here. Direction up or down. Here you can give it a stroke size and color. You can also give it inner glow and shadow. Then press OK to apply. With this tool you can type vertical text. Vertical type mask tool captures the background image into your text. Horizontal type mask tool does the same, except it gives text in horizontal type. Next we have is rectangle tool to draw a rectangle box. Color can be changed from here along with width and height. To draw a rounded rectangle, use this tool. Next is ellipse tool. To draw 5 corners shape, use polygon tool. To draw a straight line, use line tool. Custom shape tool gives a variety of different shapes which can be accessed from here. Here you can change fill color, line style, width and height of shape. Let me show you how you can create clipping mask. Select ellipse tool, draw ellipse. You may adjust its size to fit in photo. Right click on layer and select clipping masking. Press Ctrl+T to transform image so it fit inside ellipse. Let's duplicate layer now. Click on quick mask, select brush and paint over the area you want to hide. It will color in red. See, face is now gone. You can also do the opposite by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I. It will invert the selection. Now everything will be gone except the highlighted area of face. As you can see, there are still some leftover area in hairs. We can adjust it by going to quick mask again and painting with white brush. One of the most important thing in Photoshop is layer mask. Click on add layer mask. It will be filled with background color. In this case we have white. Remember, white reveals and black hides. Click over layer mask box, then press Alt plus backspace to fill foreground color. Now everything will be hidden. Select brush and paint with white color over area that you want to show. To remove any excess, change color to black or just use razor tool. You can also flip it horizontal or flip vertical. Now let me show you how you can fill with content aware. Press Shift plus F5 or go to edit menu, then fill. You can fill with foreground color, background color or any color. Select content aware now. It will fill the selected area with surroundings. To change image size, go to edit menu, then image size or press Alt plus Ctrl plus I. Type in width and height, then press enter. Change canvas size, go to edit menu, then select canvas size or press Alt plus Ctrl plus C. Type in width and height, press Ctrl+0 to fit to screen. Press Ctrl+T to change its size now. You can see butterfly has stretched out. We can do same with content aware without stretching image. Press Alt plus Shift plus Ctrl plus C or go to the edit menu and select content aware scale. Then drag the image from corners to right and press enter. Again select content aware scale, then press Ctrl plus T and now drag to left and press enter. Let's see the result. Now on the top we have without content aware scale and the bottom one is with content aware scale. Now time for some image adjustments. Under image menu we have adjustments like black and white, photo filter and color balance. You may change sliders left to right to change red, green and blue color. Finally see some filters now. Go to filter menu, then blur, Gaussian blur. Change the slider and see the preview, then press OK. Sharpen edges filter, make the edges sharp. To add noise, use this filter. To give pixelate effect, use mosaic filter under pixelate. Here is the result look like. Go to filter, stylize, emboss, change the slider to your liking and press OK. Use tiles filter to give the style effect. Fill filter, twist the image like this. To give zigzag effect to image, use this filter. Please do mention in the comment which tool or option you like the most. I hope you like the video and learned something new. If so, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you in another video.